Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can create an Event Hub namespace. So for that, I will simply go to my Azure and I can search for my Event Hubs here. Okay, Event. I'll click on my Event Hub here. Let me refresh here. I'll click on Create. It says that no subscription found. Just give me a second here. Alright guys, now I have the subscription now, so I can go to my event hubs here. I can simply create, and the first thing is that I need to select a resource group here, and then I need to give a namespace here, so I can say this as event hub EHN, this number. Then here I'm going to select my region, so I will go with East US. We have the good resources. Then here comes the pricing tier, so I will go with the most cheapest one in this case, that is basic, or let me go with standard here. Okay, then here we have this output unit, so I will go with 3 should be. Then here I will enable this and it will give me again auto inflate maximum output unit, so I need it as 10. Okay, now here basically like I need simply all this information or all these details to create my this event hub namespace. I will simply create it now. Okay, and I will wait for some time to get this provision. Okay, now my resource is deployed. Now I will create my actual event hub. Currently I have simply created my event hub namespace. Let me click here. Then here I will see it as event hub. And here I will keep the partition count as 3. And this retention period here, let me select it for 7 days. Alright, so this looks good. And I can simply now review my event hub and I will simply create this. So this will help me for event streaming. Now next thing is that I'm going to assign a role here. Okay, now what we'll do, I will go to my access control. Let's say if I want to give access to someone, to my team, so I can go here, I can go to add role assignment. Okay, then from here I will get my all out of the box role. I can even create my custom as well, and here I can search for my Azure Event Event Hub. Let me go with this owner role. I will click on next. Here I can assign this role to one of the users. Let me search for this user here. So it is already available in my Active Directory, intro ID, sorry. So now I'm going to assign this role here. I can simply say review and assign. And this role will be assigned to this particular user. Now he can also work on this event hub. Okay, now I can go to here entities. I can see this event hub, the one which I created a few minutes back. Now currently I cannot test it directly because I need to have some kind of code here. Yep, but like this is how you can use it. And another important thing that you should know about is your policies. So if we go here and you have this shared access policy, so whenever you will be using it like into any code, you will need to have your connection string. So you can leverage this connection string at that case. Like usually you will get some sample codes available into internet. Okay, and even you can create your own as well. So it's better to create our own policy. So I will call it as manage dash policy, and here I will say it is going to manage. I will click on create, and then I can share this particular key. Then click here, and here instead of giving this root minus shared access key, you can give your own. Here you can also uplift or downlift the permission, okay, so that the root this key is not getting compromised. So you can simply regenerate as well at the same time, but yeah, you can copy this and can paste it in your code and accordingly can test it out. So this is a short intro about the Azure Event Hub, how we can deploy it, how do we create the namespace, how we can provide the access, and how we are going to add our own this shared policy and can share this particular URL. Thank you for watching this video.